In today's video, we're going to be looking at the basic functions and operations of the new color display offered on the 2025 and newer E-LUX electric bicycles. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to relocate these controls near the display here so you can see what I'm doing as I do it. However, they do come mounted right here next to the grip for easy access while you're riding. Alright, so let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is turn the bike on. This button here at the top of the controls is your power button. Just press that button once and your bike will turn on. Now as you can see here, the display is showing us a few different things. At the top here is where you're going to find your battery charge state. Below that is this dial which indicates your speed and wattage output of the motor. Beneath that is where you're going to find information regarding total mileage, trip distance, and trip time. At the bottom here is where you're going to find pedal assist level indication. Now as a default, when the bike is turned on, the pedal assist level will be at 0, meaning that if you were to start pedaling, you will receive no electric assistance from the motor. However, like all E-LUX models, you do have a throttle that functions as a full power override to the pedal assist. So even on pedal assist 0, you can hit the throttle and go. Now to change the level of assist, simply use the up and down arrow buttons on the control. Each level of assistance increases top speed assistance while pedaling. On level 1, you have a maximum assisted speed of 5 miles per hour. In level 2, 10 miles per hour. Level 3, 18 miles an hour. Level 4 is 22 miles an hour, and level 5 will get you to 28 miles per hour. In a future video, I will show you how to access some of the advanced settings of the display, which will allow you up to 9 levels of pedal assist, as well as a way to set speed limitations and even password protect those settings. Now beyond the levels of pedal assist, this display also allows you to change the ride mode. Ride modes change the characteristics of the power delivery, affecting how the bike accelerates. As a default, the ride mode is set to power, giving you maximum response and acceleration. You can change this setting by pressing and holding the up arrow button for 3 seconds. You can see here by doing that the display color turned green and the ride mode has changed to Eco. Eco mode reduces the current to the motor, giving you the most efficiency and range potential. By holding the up arrow again for 3 seconds, the display will turn blue, indicating ride mode normal. This is the mode that will give you the best balance between acceleration and efficiency. Just here above the pedal assist indicator, you will find total mileage, trip distance, and trip time. You can scroll through these fields by pressing the set button. Trip time is programmed to reset each time the bike is turned off. You can also program the trip distance to do the same by accessing some of the advanced settings, which I will show you in another video. The last 2 functions I will show you are how to turn on your headlight and activate the built-in USB power port. Turning on the headlight is easy. Just tap the power button and the headlight will turn on. You can also see there is an icon displayed when your headlight is on. Tap the power button again and your headlight will turn back off. Lastly, this display does have a USB power port located right here underneath the controls. Under here there's a small rubber tab. You just pull that open and you can plug in your phone to charge, but you will need to turn power on to the USB port first, and that is done by holding both the set button and the up arrow button at the same time for 3 seconds. Once you do that, you'll see a small icon here on the display, and that indicates that there is now power going to the USB power port. When you turn your bike off, this will reset and turn off. Now speaking of turning off your bike, that is also done right here on the controls by holding the power button for about 3 seconds. Now if you forget to turn your bike off, not a big deal. This display is designed to shut your bike off for you after 5 minutes. Well, that does it. We hope you found this information valuable. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information can be found at our website. That is eluxbikes.com. Thanks for watching.